In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fill out a PDF form on your mobile phone. Open your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in WPS Office. Install this app. Now, go ahead and open the app. Next, find and upload the file that you want to edit. Once the file is open, tap on the Edit button. This will allow you to edit your PDF. Tap anywhere you want to add text. Type your text. Tap Fill and Sign to add new text. Then write your text. You can drag and drop the text anywhere you want. You can also adjust the text size to make it bigger or smaller so it fits perfectly in the form. That's how you can easily fill out a form on a PDF.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.